All right, let's talk about commodities in a broader measure with the global oil markets. Oil trending downwards as we speak. We're shaving off where we started the new year, as well as the Brent crude is concerned. Bringing Ada Akonobi on Skype from Financial Derivatives Company. She's an economist and analyst with this data provider for us here every Tuesdays and Thursdays on the program. Ada, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay, thank you very much. Were you surprised overnight that crude oil is slipping around $50 a barrel?
I'm not really surprised about the drop in crude oil. I mean, it's expected with the oversupply we currently have. We have a lot of supply from the USA. They're ramping up production. Saudi Arabia as well, major OPEC producers are still increasing. We have Kuwait as well, looking to increase production from 2.8 last year to about 4 million barrels per day this year. So all these are literally affecting the stockpiles of oil in circulation.
Okay, and of course there are concerns about the U.S. interest rate, likely interest rate decision. At the same time, the Bank of England, two of the largest reserves firms are raising interest rates in 2015, most likely before the end of the year. Is that a concern?
It is a concern because most of these commodities are traded in the dollar. So countries which use other currencies will find this very expensive because if the dollar strengthens, it will make commodities more expensive, and which will literally lessen demand for that commodity for a while. So it's affecting oil prices as well. So all these factors combined together are putting a downward pressure on oil. And we haven't even, Iran still, if Iran contributes, we are still speculating, sanctions are still on, sanctions will be off in December. So if Iran injects oil, and they have about 30 million barrels in storage, so this will further pull prices down in the future.
Okay, let's talk about commodities now, which is agri-commodities specifically. Some of the listed FCMGs are turning their first half 2015 numbers into the market. So, and Flour Mills yesterday actually reported, in the next 24 hours, reported a full year profit for its period ended first quarter of March 2015. Profit before tax was down 7%. Not too good. We talk about this all the time. Do you think that these agri-commodities, wheat, sugar, and things like that are beginning to reflect in these earnings? Yes,
agri-commodities are dropping. You have a quarter-on-quarter wheat prices dropped about 9%. So this is, you see companies like Flour Mills Nigeria have already had a profit in its earning about 4 billion as opposed to about 3.7 billion last quarter. So companies which use this as outputs are already seeing profits in its margin.
Okay, let's leave it at that for today. Ada Akonobi, we thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Economist and analyst at Financial Derivatives Company, data provider for that segment of the program.